How to auto-skip Netflix intro. For this, you can go ahead and search for netflix.com and log in to your account. After you log in, if you check out some of the settings of Netflix, you will find that the autoplay is restricted only for the next episode or auto-skip on other devices. So how to actually auto-skip on Netflix intro? For this, you have to go ahead and launch a new tab on a browser. Then go ahead and tap on the three dot on top of your browser and head to extensions. From there, tap on Visit Chrome Store. In the search bar, you have to search for Netflix Skipper. So the first one is the one we are looking for, so go ahead and tap on it. We can use this extension to skip Netflix intros, recaps, and next episode prompts. It is also mentioned in here. So once you are here, tap on Add to Chrome. Then just tap on Add Extension and wait for it to be added successfully. Just like that, your Netflix skipper has been added. Now all you have to do is log into your Netflix if you have not, or you can try by logging out and logging in back to your Netflix and watch your favorite TV shows or movie without the Netflix intro or any recap. If this does not work, try by restarting your PC so that it can get used to with the additional extension as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.